Jibansmriti means the memory of lives. And that is what the Jibansmriti Archives are about. As a repository for the life and work of various people in the arts, cinema, painting, puppeteering, clay modeling, all sorts of things. Normally, archives or museums tend to be about the work of famous people, of celebrities. But the great thing about these archives is that it is becoming a repository of the work of ordinary people, ordinary workers in the arts. Therefore, by doing so, it is not only an archives of the work of individual artists, but it is actually chronicling a history of various phases in the various arts. It's becoming a part of history. I am very happy to be associated with this initiative, and I would urge you to help the initiative in any way that you can to become a part of building history, of becoming history.